Hey friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Welcome to our channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add videos on CapCut. Let's get started. First of all, you have to open your CapCut app. Select New Project. Select a video and then click on the Edit button. Click on this video and click on the Edit Add button. Now you can see the video is added. So now if you want to add more videos, then click on the plus button and add another video from there. Click on the add button and your video will be added. Now you can export them by simply clicking on the arrow. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please give a like, comment on this and share. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much. Bye bye.